falan. Model müzikal sanatçıyla İstanbul'da yapım yolu bir
Pero sin ese aspecto. Muchas cosas pues no con ellas. Y lo de Constantín, esas cosas que tengo entre manos,
Yeah.
There is, yes, there is.
Meters. The phosphorus is actually a deep crack in the Earth's crust, where it is squeezed by the two continents.
Ahora al lado de Santa Sofía podemos ver el Palacio Topkapi.
Expensive area. Unfortunately, the Philippines and Ecuador are displaying an extensive cultural collection.
El museo más visitado, más grande y más caro. Tiene 50.
But extra special in the eyes of the Romans. When they decided to motivate their temple for gold, derived from the fact that as a narrow bed, it was strategic facilities and had always been a location for military bases, harbors, shipyards.
Podemos ver dos banderas, bandera turca y bandera blanca. Igual Cruz Roja, podemos ver la bandera blanca con creciente, igual Cruz Roja. Aquí es un puerto del sultán cuando salían para las guerras. First station. It was coming from Paris to Istanbul. Last station was there. A veces cuando llegaron durante cuarta cruzada aquí, detrás del crucero, último centro comercial. Se llama Galata Port. Muchas tiendas, restaurantes de lujo. Hasta 12 de la noche abiertos aquí. On the left side you can see the Beşiktaş neighbor, famous with 2 hotels and with private university. We're gonna see on the left side the private university. Even they have private port for the students, which is they were coming with the private yachts. And also you're gonna see the second Four Seasons. We have 2 Four Seasons hotel in Istanbul. The first one in Old City, it was Old Reason, which is they converted. Segundo puente del Bósforo, Sultan Mehmet II, se llama el puente.
The Rumeli Fortress. This almost 6 centuries old large castle always makes for a pleasant surprise during a Bosphorus trip. It first catches travelers off guard in its size as the boats round the bend in the strait. This fortress was constructed in 1452 in just 5 months. This construction having been rushed because it was part of the preparations for a very extensive siege of Constantinople. Combined with a smaller fortress on the Asian side across the strait, it was meant to cut off access to south in case any help come from the north. This is why locals also called it Boğaz Kesen, literally means the Bosphorus blocker. After the conquest of the city, this fortress was later used as a military campus.
Palace just for Sunday and Saturday. The Sultan, they were coming just for 2 days here. Solo sultanes venían aquí para fin de semana, para domingo, sábado. Entonces tienen 20 mansiones en Bósforo, pero aquí vamos a ver 5 mansiones de color rojo. Los 5 miembros de la familia viven aquí. On the left side, you're gonna see 5 red mansions. The richest family in Turkey, Koç family, they have 20 mansions in Bosphorus, but 5 members of this family, they live here in 5 red mansions. On the left side, you can see military high school from 18th century. They said, como sol rojo. Más fresco del Bósforo. On the left side, you can see the last Ottoman Empire palace. Beylerbeyi Palace means Lord of the Lords. This palace just for summer. They were coming Sultan just for this palace, just 2 months, July and August. Beylerbeyi Palace. Today it's a museum.
There are various stories or tales about the Maiden's Tower, but one of them serves to account for it acquired its name. According to this story, an oracle told the king that his beloved young daughter would die soon. The king, who was seized by fear, decided to secure the princess in this inapproachable tower in order to protect her from any potential harm. This proved successful for a time, until one day the king sent a basket of fruit to his daughter.
Aquí una isla, segunda isla del Bósforo, tiene una leyenda,